What's up, YouTube family? So I just got to Freedom Car Wash and we're here with my boy Wong and the Lotus Turbo. Let's see, but we're just gonna go to Night Moves and just hang out with some cool guys. It's the first one this season. It's usually like the premier event for this area, so we're gonna go out there and just hang out with some guys and check out some cool cars. But look at this. Wheels, just put the suspension on there. Let's check out the turbo in the back. You see it?
This is the NEX6. This before the turn.
Super nice. Morsimo catch can, still kind of honing it in. Here he is, the man with the plan right here.
What's up?
Soft-spoken, that's the Jamaican side of him. The Chinese side of him is he's just Chinese. Woo! E36. There you go. It's already happening. The madness is already taking place. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Man, this thing's sweet, man.
It's stock
Me and my buddy were talking about it when it came in. I love this. This is amazing.
7 MGT, still turbo.
Nice. Like this, man. What size wheels are those?
These are 18s.
18s. 18 by what?
I actually just put them on like a month ago.
Okay.
And I got it from another Supra.
Okay, wow, yeah. Yeah, man, I love these, man. These are awesome. See a bunch of them online now making like a crap load of horsepower too with big tires on the back.
Yeah.
It's pretty sweet.
So bad when I was in high school.
The crazy thing about it, we got this for $500.
500 bucks? Are you
It was a
kidding
blown
me?
head gasket.
Of course.
Damn.
Yeah.
Was it an A?
No, it's turbo.
No, was
It's
it like back then?
No.
No.
Okay.
It's always turbo.
Yeah, it's turbo, yeah.
Okay.
The guy, I guess, broke that trim and where it had the turbo symbol on it.
Yeah.
It's okay. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
So what did you do with the engine? Did you replace it with the?
no, I haven't did anything to it. I just got back from Las Vegas like 2 months ago.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. This your first one?
Yeah.
Night Moves?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the best one,
trust
man.
me, I've been
Yeah.
going for
He's,
for
yeah,
like
he's my friend.
2 years now. So.
Okay, yeah, this is your
Yeah, that's fine.
E36 M3, baby. Yeah, had one of these. Love this car, man.
It's great.
Yeah. What you got? Your suspension is lowered. What you got on
I
there?
got it lowered 2 inches on coilovers, and it's all on fucking BC coilovers.
BC coilovers? Yeah.
Camber plates all around.
Okay.
Cage reinforcement.
So you got the Beamer Works exhaust on
Yes,
there.
sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, that's the good stuff, man. That's the good stuff. Well, pop the hood, man. What are you doing?
It's dirty.
What are we waiting on? Who
It's
cares?
Cooling system and intake.
Look at this. Uh-oh, got some
New Vanos.
coolant coming out there.
There's a lot of pressure.
I know, I was gunning it.
Yeah, there'll be a lot of pressure.
I just
Definitely some water coming out there, though. Head out. Yeah. It's good. he says, don't worry about it.
We are good.
That's awesome.
yeah, came off.
It's not, it's like,
Oh, I'm not taking that shit
okay.
off.
I was gonna say, like, wait a minute here, guy. Yeah, look at that, man. Know this engine very well, guys. I had a 97 E36 M3 that I loved.
Yeah.
Make sure you cut all this out. There's no.
Don't worry, we will be able to magically make it disappear like Ooh, got some stuff over here too, man. Yeah. Place is litty. Uh-oh. RS. All right, let's see what everybody's washing. bottle, washing his hands, because that's how serious he is. No dirt on the whip. Yeah. You over here getting lit too, man. Hey, we about to turn up, man. What you doing, man?
Turn up.
Yeah.